Question 30. When gases combine, they do so in volumes which bear a simple ratio to one another and to the volume of the product. Under which condition does this law hold? A. Homogeneous gaseous volumes measured at the same temperature and pressure. B. Volume measured at the same temperature and pressure. C. Homogeneous gaseous volumes measured at the same temperature only. D. Volume measured at the same pressure only. The correct answer is A. Homogeneous gaseous volumes at the same temperature and pressure. Explanation. Gay-Lussac's law is about combining volumes of gases, but it only works if all gases are under the same conditions, which is same temperature, same pressure. That way, the volume ratios reflect the moles ratios.
If this is helpful, subscribe and stay tuned.
Love.